आउज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों। आई मकबूल हुसैन शाह, टीचर गवर्नमेंट यूपीएस शहरी जोन चमकोट। क्लास है हमारी 7th। सब्जेक्ट है हमारा हिस्ट्री। टॉपिक है हमारा द मेकिंग ऑफ रीजनल कल्चर्स। द मेकिंग्स मीन्स हो गया तरकीब या दस्तकारी। रीजनल मीन्स हो गया हित्ते का, अकलीम का। कल्चर मीन्स हो गया परवरिश करना, काश्त करना, तरबियत देना। वन ऑफ द कॉमनेस्ट वे ऑफ डिस्क्राइबिंग पीपल is in terms of the language they speak. When we are refer to a person as a Tambal or an Odisha, Oriya, this usually means that he or she speak Tambal or Oriya and lives in Tamil Nadu or Odisha. We also tend to associate each regions with distinctive kinds of food, clothes, poverty, dance, music, and paintings. Sometimes we take these identities and for granted and assumes that they have existed from times immemorial. However, the frontiers separating regions have evolved over times and in fact are still changing. Also, what we you understand as regional cultures today are often the product of complex cultures today are often the products of complex processes of ex- extreming of local traditions with idea from other parts of the subcontinents. As we will see, some traditions paper specific to some regions, other seems to be similar across regions, and yet other derive from older practice in the particular area but take a new from others regions. The cheers and development of Malayams. Let us begin by look in court and example for the connections between language and regions. The Kerala kingdoms of Madhya Forums was established in the 19th century in the southwest western part of the peninsula, part of the present day Kerala. It is likely the Malayams was spoken in this area. The rulers introduced Malayalam language and script in their inscriptions. In fact, this is of the earliest example for the use of a regional language in official record in the subcontinents. At the same time, the chairs also drew upon sacred traditions and temples throughout the Kerala, which is traced to this period's broad stories from the Sankrat's, the fair its lets leather works in Malayams dated and about the 12th century are directly indebted in secret interesting enough for 14th century texts. The dealings with grammars and poets was composites in the many problems literally di- diamonds and corals reference to the two language संस्कृत and the regional language. बस ये हम आज इतना ही पढ़ेंगे, बाकी वस्सलाम।